On this video, I will bring some tips and recommendations that we can all do to control COVID-19. So we will assume that everyone knows already that they should stay at home as much as possible, but we can do a little bit more. Let's see what we can do. Come with me. The virus has shown to attach to our hair and clothes, so any soap or detergent will kill it. So when we come from outside, inside our houses, we shouldn't just go straight and sit somewhere or touch our stuff. We should go straight to the bathroom and take a quick bath or shower. And also, when it comes to our clothes, if we cannot wash them on a daily basis, we should at least expose them in a place where they can get some direct sunlight, because that has shown to help neutralizing the virus as well. Another recommendation relates to metallic surfaces. So we should be washing all the metallic surfaces very regularly, because it's shown that the virus remains viable in these metallic surfaces for up to 9 days. Then another advice is not to smoke, because smoking, it gets our respiratory system more vulnerable. Also, we should eat as much as possible in terms of fruits and vegetables. So we should try to increase our intake in vitamin C, which is, for example, in orange, but also in zinc. That's a very important one. So zinc is responsible to activate more than 300 enzymes in our body. It enhances our immune system. It helps in body repairing tissues. So we should try to get loads of zinc. Where can we find zinc? Zinc is found in red meats as well, shellfish, in vegetables, in nuts, in eggs, milk and cheese, and also in dark chocolate. Another really helpful tip is to wash our hands as much as possible. So we should do it at least every 20 minutes, and we should wash it with a soap that forms a foam, so it helps killing the virus. And we should also do it for 20 seconds. So every 20 minutes and for 20 seconds. Then we should try to avoid any other viral infections. So let's say, for example, flu. Let's avoid any type of that, because that will by itself also weaken our immune system. And lastly, if you feel like a sore throat is coming on, or if you have already a sore throat, just try to stay at home so you don't spread it. And just start doing all these recommendations, so you tackle it from the beginning, so that will help you to get just a milder infection instead of a more severe one. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Just pass this information as much as possible and subscribe to the channel.